In this question, they ask to find dy dx and then find equations of tangents to the curve that are parallel to x-axis, y-axis, in part A, B respectively. When the question is phrased in this way, bracket S, means the answer could be one or more. So you have to decide. First, you differentiate to find dy dx. Okay. Differentiate 4x squared will give you 8x. Differentiate 4x squared will give you 8x. Differentiate 8x will give you 8. Differentiate 9y squared will give you 18 dy dx. 18y dy dx. So there's a y. 9y will give you 18y, and because y turns, so you need dy dx. Differentiate 36y will give you 36 dy dx. Differentiate 4 gives you 0. So in the right hand side, differentiate 0 is 0. You observe you can actually divide by 2. So it's actually 4x plus 4. And then 9y, okay, 9y, then 18. And I want to factorize out. So you'll find that this is dy dx, so you can actually factorize out. So it's 9y then minus 18 bracket dy dx. So you take out dy dx as common factor, then equal to 0. So with that, you can say dy dx is actually negative 4x plus 4 over 9y minus 18. You can also write it as 4x plus 4 and over this minus sign, right? You can write it below. You can write it below. And it's bracket 9y minus 18. So with that, you can actually multiply the minus sign in. So it's actually 4x plus 4 over 18 minus 9y. Remember, negative of a minus b. You can multiply the minus sign in, namely minus a minus give you a plus b, which you can write b in front as b minus a. So it's 18 minus 9y. If tangent is parallel to the x-axis, if you consider tangent line parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis means horizontal tangent. So that means is horizontal tangent means dy dx is 0. And if dy dx is 0, if your dy dx is 0, then it means numerator is 0. So you just consider numerator 0. So numerator is box, denominator is triangle. So dy dx 0 means numerator 0. So that means you consider 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So for part 1. So that will give you x equal to minus 1. After finding x equal to minus 1, you sub back to the equation. So you sub back to the equation. of the curve. So it means I'm going to call this equation 1. That means you sub into equation 1. So that means this one is sub into equation 1. So it's sub into equation 1. Sub into equation 1. And if you sub into equation 1, then it should be 4 bracket minus 1 squared plus 8 bracket minus 1. So this is what you have, and you'll find that you work out this will be 4 minus 8 plus 9y squared minus 36y plus 4 is 0. And then you'll find that the numbers will cancel out. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8, so no more. So it means we are left with the equation 9y squared minus 36 equal to 0. So you are left with 9y squared minus 36 equal to 0. So 9y squared, you are left with 9y squared minus 36y equal to 0. So let me continue here. So it's 9y squared minus 36y equal to 0. You can divide by 9. So it's y squared minus 4y equal to 0. So you can take out y, and y minus 4 equal to 0. So it means y equal to 0 or y equal to 4. So there are two answers, y equal to 0 or y equal to 4. Here you are finding, in part 1 you are finding equation of tangent parallel to the x-axis. And we have seen that equation of tangent line parallel to the x-axis is just y equal to y naught, right? Because yes, it's horizontal line. So we have found the answer to be y equal to 0 and y equal to 4. It means there are two tangent lines parallel to the x-axis, and the equation is y equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Next, you consider tangent line parallel to the y-axis. If you have tangent line parallel to the y-axis, then you consider denominator 0. Denominator is 18 minus 9y. So you consider, so that means for b, right? Just how this is part A, it's part A. So for part B, you consider denominator 0. So 18 minus 9y equals 0. So it means y is 2. So we call this y is 2. And then you sub this into, it means you sub into 1. You sub y equals 2 into equation 1, the original equation. So we have to sub y equals 2 into the equation of the curve. So let me do it on the blank slide here. So it means y equals to 2. And the equation is 4x squared plus 8x plus 9y squared minus 36y plus 4 equal to 0. So you sub y equals 2. So you sub y equals 2. It means y you sub as 2. You sub y as 2. Sub y as 2. So this one is 9 bracket 2 squared. So this will give you 36. You sub y as 2 here. This one will give you minus 72. And plus 4. So it's 4x squared plus 8x plus 36 minus 72 plus 4 equals 0. So it's same as 4x squared plus 8x minus 32 equal to 0. Can divide by 4. So x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Then you can factorize as x plus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is minus 4 or 2. So there are two answers. And what you want is to find equation of tangent line parallel to the y-axis. For tangent line parallel to the y-axis, the equation is just x equal to x naught. It's just x equal to x naught, a number. So you have found two answers, right? Minus 4 and 2. So it means the answer to B, right? And answer to B should be x equal to 4 and minus 2. That means it should be x equals to minus 4. One of the tangent line is x equal to minus 4. Then the other one is x equal to 2. X equal to minus 4 and 2. So the two tangent line parallel to the y-axis is x equal to minus 4 and x equal to 2.